What number is that? Number?
2.
Okay, number 2. Where's number 3? 3? Where are you, number 3? Find number 3. Good job. What number is this?
7.
What number is this? Okay, 3. How about number 8? Where is number 8? 8.
3.
Where is number 8? Help teacher find number 8.
3, yes. 5, correct. Color.
5.
It's color.
Say 52.
52.
This one.
74.
This one.
80. 30.
Or
60.